Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, just a quick review of these little hand trowels. The one on the right there is the one I bought from Wilko's about 10 years ago. I think it was £5 or £6. That had been really good. I thought I'd lost it though, and as always, I'd placed it in the bin, which is a nightmare. I only found it when I'd actually ordered the middle one from Amazon, and the middle one was £8.50, but that was 15% off. So that should have been £1.50 off, so that should have been £10. And the one on the left there is from Wilko's. That was £4. That was 20% off. That should have been £5. And if you look at these together, that one there, that one, there's probably a centimetre difference. But the thickness, the hand trowel, a lot thicker there, which I think must make it stronger. Just look at the difference there. This one is probably the same as the £10 one from Kensington. So if I would recommend anything, it would be the Wilko one. Open out of stainless steel. The thickness of the stainless steel is exactly the same, just a little bit shorter. What I do with these is get the grinder and my little file these so you get a nice point like these are. That makes a massive difference when you're weeding. Just put these next to each other like so. As you can see, like I said, the thickness there, I do like that about the Wilko and the cheaper one. I've just sort of one that's got a handle on it that's probably 2 feet long, which will make things a lot easier to weed as you're going around. Just turn it around to the back here. I would recommend treating all these as well when you get them with linseed oil. This one has lasted me 8, 9, 10 years, and I've only treated that a couple of times, and that's never let me down, that one. So yeah, all three there. Recommend, it's a good quality one, the Kensington one, but I would recommend getting the Wilko one. Same shape, same size, half the price. So yeah, that's my little review on handheld forks. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, garden and greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.